Tea estates in China are deeply woven into the nation's history, serving as agricultural centers and cultural icons. For centuries, these estates have cultivated celebrated teas like Longjing and Tieguanyin, with traditions that span dynasties and regional customs. The art of tea-making embodies harmony and respect, shaping rituals from imperial courts to family gatherings. Today, these estates balance the preservation of ancient techniques with the adoption of modern innovations, ensuring tea remains integral to China's cultural identity. Let's explore how the land itself contributes to this legacy. Many Chinese tea estates are found in regions with distinctive geographical features, which play a crucial role in nurturing a variety of teas. Mountainous terrain, well-drained soils, and a climate of warm days and cool nights foster optimal growth. Misty mornings and abundant rainfall provide consistent moisture, while mineral-rich soils further enhance the character of each tea. These environmental factors, combined with seasonal temperature changes, result in teas that range from delicate greens to robust blacks, each with its own unique aroma and flavor. This connection between nature and cultivation sets the stage for daily life on the estates. Life on a Chinese tea estate follows the rhythms of tradition and the land. Workers carefully tend to the tea bushes, ensuring each plant thrives. During harvest, only the youngest leaves are selected by skilled hands, a practice refined over generations. The leaves are then sorted and processed using methods such as withering, rolling, and drying, all performed with meticulous care to preserve their distinct flavors and aromas. These estates are more than production sites. They are living repositories of cultural heritage, where dedication and craftsmanship infuse every cup. This devotion is reflected in the remarkable diversity of teas produced across China. China's tea landscape is vast and varied, with each region imparting its own signature to the teas it produces. Zhejiang's green teas are celebrated for their fresh, grassy notes, while Yunnan's black teas are known for their depth and strength. Fujian's oolongs offer a complex blend of floral and fruity flavors, and Yunnan's pu'er stands out for its earthy richness and aging potential. Factors like altitude, rainfall, and temperature shape the flavor and quality of each tea, allowing enthusiasts to explore a wide array of tastes and textures. This diversity has helped Chinese tea estates achieve worldwide recognition. The impact of Chinese tea estates reaches far beyond the country's borders, influencing global commerce and cultural traditions. Teas from these estates are enjoyed internationally, celebrated for their quality and variety. Locally, tea cultivation sustains communities and preserves time-honored practices. As global demand for authentic and sustainable products rises, Chinese tea estates continue to connect people and cultures, fostering appreciation for the artistry and heritage found in every cup.